So in this question we're going to look at probability, and we'll look at tree diagrams where there's a condition on the second event occurring. So the second event, wearing a coat, depends on whether it rains or not. What we've been told, the probability that it rains is 0.2. The probability that we wear a coat given that it's raining is 0.8. And probably wear a coat given that it is not raining is 0.1. So I'm going to ask you I'm going to draw a tree diagram to work out probably that we actually wear a coat on a given day, and probably that I'm wearing a coat given that it's raining. So let's start off with the tree diagram, and let's start off with looking at the possibility of it raining. The probability that it rains is 0.2, so the probability that it doesn't rain is 0.8. Now the probability that I wear a coat given that it's raining has been given to me here, 0.8. So the probability that I don't wear a coat given that it's raining is 0.2. Now the probability that I wear a coat given that it's not raining is 0.1. So given the probability that I don't wear a coat when it's not raining is 0.9, because I either wear a coat or I don't. So it's always a good idea, I'll bring that back up so you can see that. Alright, so the last bit, it was just out of shot. Probably that it's not raining is 0.8. So probably it's not raining comes from there. If it's raining is 0.2, not raining would be 0.8. And the probability that I'm wearing a coat, given that it's not raining, so it's not raining, probably I wear a coat is 0.1. So the probability that I'm not wearing a coat when it's not raining would be 0.9. These must add up to 1. So raining, probably it's raining and I'm wearing a coat, will be equal to 0.2 times 0.8 equals 0.16. Probably that it's raining and I'm not wearing a coat is 0.2 times 0.2, 0.04. Probably that it's not raining and I'm wearing a coat, not raining and I'm wearing a coat, is 0.8 times 0.1 equals 0.08. And finally, the probability that it's not raining and I'm not wearing a coat is 0.8 times 0.9. Bring that back over. Equals 0.72. So we have all four possibilities here. The probability that I wear a coat, well, I'm wearing a coat in two of these four possibilities. I'm wearing a coat, so the probability that I'm wearing a coat comes from probably that it's raining and I'm wearing a coat, plus the probability that it's not raining and I'm wearing a coat. So raining and wearing a coat, 0.16, and not raining and wearing a coat, 0.08. So the two together give me 0.24. So the probability that I'm wearing a coat on any particular day is 0.24. And the second question says, what is the, if I get all the diagram, what's the probability that I'm wearing a coat given that it's raining? So the probability that I am wearing a coat given that it's raining, well, it could be raining. There's two ways it can be raining. I could be wearing a coat, and so given that it's raining, let's just check this. Well, probably that it's raining is 0.2. Probably I'm wearing a coat given that it's raining is simply 0.8. So I've actually given you that already. I think what I really wanted to ask you was, we know that you wear a coat. What's the probability that it's raining? So what's the probability that it's raining given that you wear a coat? I think that was the way I wanted it. So there are two ways you can be wearing a coat, which we've looked at before. And there was only one way that you could have been wearing, that it was raining, given that you were wearing a coat, and that was the 0.16. So our answer then will be 0.16 out of, so probably that's raining given you're wearing a coat. Okay, so you could be wearing a coat with it raining or it not raining. So that's the only way, that's wearing a coat. Probably that's raining, wearing a coat was 0.16. We've already worked out there was 0.24. So 8's going to that twice, into that 3 times. So our answer is 2/3.